Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A33 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button. When this menu appears on the screen, slide the slider to the bottom and then release it to turn off your phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And when the OPPO logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. Now we need to select the language. We can use the volume up and volume down buttons to move through the menu. Give me a second. Let me hold the phone like this. And you can use the power button to confirm the selection, but I'm just gonna use the touch screen because we can also use it. So I'm gonna tap on English. And in this menu we have a few options. As you can see, we entered the recovery menu, of course. And we have options like install from storage, online update, wipe data, reboot, and power off. To exit this menu, you can select the reboot or power off, depends what you want to do. If you want to turn off your phone, select power off. And if you want to restart your device and boot into a system, tap on reboot. I'm gonna select reboot and then tap OK to confirm. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.